Alright, now here is an incredible feature which is available both on Samsung Galaxy phones as well as the iPhones, but the execution of which is much better on the iOS when compared to the Samsung Galaxy phones. I'm talking about background removal feature on a particular image inside the gallery application. This video is going to be really interesting. Keep watching. But before we go ahead, if you're new on the channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button to become a part of Apex community and give this video a like if you find this useful. Now let's go ahead. Here on the left hand side, I've got the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is currently on iOS 16.2. On the right hand side, I have got the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is on One UI 5.0. Now first, let's look at how to remove background on an image on One UI 5.0 on this Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's open Gallery. I'll open this image here. Now to remove the background or to lift this particular subject from this image, what I need to do is tap on Edit button. Here on the extreme right, you can see the circle here. I'll just tap on this. We get three different options to select the subject. The best option is the first one, Snap to Shape, which is selected by default. If you want to select the object manually, you can tap on this, and to deselect, you can tap on this option. Now, under Snap to Shape, we've got Freeform as well as Shape. What I'm going to do is I'll select Freeform and I'll just draw a circle around this subject. Now you can see the AI has automatically detected the subject and it has selected this image. I just hit Next here. And here it is. We've got the subject on a transparent background. On the Galaxy phones, we do get this option, which is really cool. We can draw a border around that particular subject. Drawing this border around the subject would be really useful if the AI is not able to lift this object properly. If at all there is any background image still showing up around the subject, we can just cover it up using this particular feature. Anyways, let me just tap on Done. We can just tap on Save to save it inside the gallery. And if you want to copy and paste the same image on the Samsung Notes, or if you want to send this image on Messages or WhatsApp, you can just copy it and paste it on the messaging application. That is how we do this on Samsung Galaxy phones. Now let's go to iPhone 14 Pro Max here. Let me open the same image inside the gallery. Now here on the iPhone, to lift an object or to remove the background, all I need to do is just press and hold on the subject. The AI will instantly recognize it and you can just lift your finger. We can copy this object right from here, or we can share this object right from here on any of the other applications. Now what's more interesting here is I'll just press and hold on this image and drag it. I'll go to home screen, open messaging app. Now here I can just drop it and select the contact and send this particular object. And this image gets pasted over here. That is amazing, isn't it? Now let me just go back to the image. Let's say you want to lift this subject and save this without the background inside the gallery application. All you need to do is press and hold on this, drag it, tap the back button on the top left corner. Now here you can just drop it. It instantly gets saved inside the gallery app. As you can see, this is the image. The background has been removed and only the subject has been saved. The execution of this feature is just brilliant on iOS. And maybe a similar feature on Samsung's One UI would be really amazing. It's going to save a lot of time while removing the background on a particular image. This is a fantastic feature which I wanted to share with you guys. Samsung has its own implementations. iOS has its own implementation. You let me know whether this feature is better on the iOS or on One UI. Let me know in the comments section. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel and I hope you have already hit that like button as well. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. My name is Salyan. Cheers. Bye-bye.